That's coming in. Maharashtra's Ahmednagar district has announced a diktat to increase the vaccination in the district. People who have not been vaccinated will not be given ration or petrol, as per the Guardian Minister of the city. In fact, in Ahmednagar, 9 lakh people who have not taken even a single dose of the vaccine and 5 lakh people who are yet to take the second dose of the vaccine. This is the latest coming in. Shivani joining us with more details. Shivani, what can you tell us here as to how exactly this is going to be implemented? And obviously, this is the fact that essentials are not going to be given because people have not taken their vaccination dose.
Yes, of course, since quite long time we have been witnessing that how there are many people those who have taken their first jab of vaccine, but the difference between the second jab of vaccine, even if the vaccines are available, many people have not taken that. And with respect to that only, the Guardian Minister today in Ahmednagar had a meeting with district level officials, and then he declared and has announced clearly that fuel, petrol, diesel won't be given to people those are not fully vaccinated. And in fact, those people those have taken their first jab and have not come for the second jab, even those people won't be getting any essential commodity like ration or fuel. But also very importantly, he mentioned one thing, that the names of such people those are not fully vaccinated or those who have not taken even a single dose of vaccine, their names list will be put out there at their villages, so that they come ahead and then they start taking up the vaccine. Because at the village level, he is saying the way Omicron cases are rapidly rising. In fact, in Maharashtra, every day we are witnessing more than 6 to 7 Omicron positive cases, and that's when such step has been taken. He also mentioned that vaccines are available. The way cases of Omicron are increasing, the number of vaccination has also increased, but people are not coming forward and taking the jabs of vaccine. That is why people won't, such people, those are not fully vaccinated, they won't be getting ration, they won't be getting fuel and other essential commodities. Those are provided to them by the government, and later also their names will be put out in public domain. Their names will be put out in their respective villages, so that the other villagers tell them to come out and take their vaccines. And also, he mentioned that when vaccines are very much available with us, when we are requesting people to come ahead and take the vaccine, so that we can stop this scare and spread of Omicron. If people are not coming forward, then such strict action have to be taken by the government. Then only those people, the number of 9 lakh people, those who have not taken a single jab. Let us also remind our viewers that Ahmednagar was also one of the districts in Maharashtra which has suffered a lot in the wave 1 and wave 2 as well. And right now, when rural Maharashtra again is expecting and is already recording a lot of cases of Omicron, and still there are deaths those have been recorded because of COVID-19 effect. That's why this immediate action have been come. District officials had a meeting with the Guardian Minister, and then this order has been passed. This announcement has come. From tomorrow onwards, this will be there on ground. It will be imposed since tomorrow only, and there only at every petrol pump, at every ration shops, their fully vaccination certificates will be checked. Officials, those will be putting such people's name on their at their house doors, doorsteps, or maybe at the villages. There will be more campaigns, there will be more camps for such people, so that they can go to their nearby booth to their villages and get the vaccine jabs. But definitely this order which has been now passed by the Guardian Minister over there will definitely going to bring some changes with respect to the scale of vaccination, which is still somewhere at the halt, at the low at Ahmednagar.
All right. Thank you so much for getting us those details.